it's Ann. I'm here to do my creative year, and this week the prompt this week is clothing and the topic is stitches. So Gina Ahrens had sent me these two sleeves that were cut off from an old sweater that are used to like keep your arms warm in the winter. You know how many of us who have like arthritis or whatever, our hands tend to get kind of cold, and so do our wrists, okay? And so she sent me these for that, but they're kind of plain looking. And so off camera, I'm going to go ahead and decorate them, and then I'll bring back to show you what I've come up with. So I hope this will inspire you to maybe take an old sweater, cut the sleeves off, and create something different and new for this month's prompt. It doesn't always have to be something in your art journal, because this is also known as My Creative Year. So think of something that you could come up with that you could be creative, and it doesn't have to be in your art journal or something like that. It could be sewing, it could be, you know, adding stitches to something. All right, so I hope you enjoy my process, and I'll be back in a few. All right, so I sewed on last year for my year. When Jerry Bellini was still with us, she did these snippets and bobs, and so this was my take on her snippets and bobs. And then I had bought these really cool crocheted flowers that are layered, and so I sewed those on, and so this is what it kind of looks like once it's decorated. Isn't that pretty? It'll keep me nice and warm in the winter, keep my hands warm and my wrists warm, because they get cold and achy. So that's what I did with these to decorate them and make them pretty. This is what this one looks like. So I hope that this will inspire you to go out and make your own sleeve warmers or hand warmer kind of thing, and make them pretty. So I hope that you enjoyed my little take. I did it off camera because I didn't want to bore people to tears. I just used normal thread and needle and just sewed these on, and by hand. I mean, I know that you could probably do them with a sewing machine, and I don't have a sewing machine, and I don't really sew. I can sew a stitch or two, and that's about it. So I hope that you enjoyed this, and you'll go check out My Year Facebook group. I'll post a link down at the bottom in the description box below, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Bye. Toodles.